Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I'm your SEM mathematics teacher, Laiba of grade 5. Students, this is my third lecture of unit number 1, whole numbers and operation. And my new topic is multiplication. What is multiplication? Multiplication is just a repeated addition, adding the same number over and over, like 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals to 12. Clear? Now students, multiplication. Multiplication can be understood as repeated addition. Multiplication can be understood as repeated addition, or in other words, when we multiply two numbers, we add as many copies of one of them. We use this symbol, a cross sign, to mean multiplication. You can see the example. 5 multiply 3, or we can say 5 3s are 15. We can write them 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. We can write 3 times 5, which is equals to 15. We have 3 rows of 5 stars, means in each row there are 5 stars, and which is equals to 15. The total stars are 15. Students, here are the words used for multiplication: as much, by, equal groups, groups of, lots of, multiply, multiplied by, per, product of, and the last one is times. So these are the words used for multiplication. Now here are the parts of multiplication. 15 multiplied 2 equals to 30. 15 is called the multiplicand, 2 is called the multiplier, and the answer is called the product. Students, 15 and 2 is also called the factors of 30. Why? Because 30 is exactly divisible by 2 and 15, means 30 is coming in the table of 2 and 15. So these both numbers are also called the factors. 15 is the multiplicand, 2 is the multiplier, and the answer we get from the multiplication process is called the product. Clear? Now students, you can see the example. This is the 5-digit number and we are multiplying with 3-digit number. First students, you have to write them in vertically form, up to down. Then you will start from the right side, the ones place digit, ones with ones, one with tens, with hundreds, thousand, and then 10,000. Now students, first we will multiply 2 with 5. 2 5s are 10, 0 in the ones place digit, and 1 will carry over the next digit, 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, then 2 5s are 10, again 2-digit number, 0 in the hundreds place digit, and 1 will carry over the next digit over 1. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Now 2 9s are 18. Students, as the first one step is completed, now in the second one step we will multiply the tens place digit. So we will write them in tens place. We will put just a simple 0 or a cross sign. Now 5 5s are 25, 5 in the tens place digit, and 2 will carry over the next digit. Then 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. 2 in the hundreds place digit, and 1 will carry over the next digit. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26, 6 in the thousands place digit, and 2 will carry over the next digit. 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7. Now 5 9s are 45. Now in the third one step, we have completed 2 steps. Now in the third step we will start from the hundreds place digit, 2 with 5, again 10, 2 with 2, 4, and the carry one is 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, then 2 5s are 10, 0 in the thousands place digit, and 1 will carry over the next digit. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, and then 2 9s are 18. Now we have done our multiplication process. Now as multiplication is the repeated process of addition, so add them, and the answer is 23,064,300 means 23,064,300. So this is our multiplication process. So students, this is very easy. Now students, after this I'm starting the division. So students, what is division? Division is the process of taking a whole items or a set of items and splitting or dividing them into equal groups. Division is the process of taking a whole items or a set of items and splitting or dividing them into equal groups. Clear? Means division is the repeated process of subtraction, as multiplication is the repeated process of addition and division is the repeated process of subtraction. Now here are the mathematical notation for division. There are various signs which can be used to indicate division, such as, look at this one sign, a line and a two dots and a slash. For example, 8 divide 2 and 8 slash 2. Now students, special names for each character in division. Here are special names for division: dividend, divisor, quotient. What is dividend? The dividend is the number that is being divided in the division process. What is divisor? The number by which dividend is being divided by is called divisor. What is quotient? A quotient is a result obtained in the division process. Means the quotient is our answer. Clear? Dividend, divisor and quotient are the special names for each character in division. I am telling you again, division is the repeated process of subtraction. Clear? Now students, these are the words used for division: divide, each, equal part, out of, quotient and split. Clear? Now here are the parts of a division. Parts of a division: 11 divided by 2 equals to 5, or 1, or mean remainder. 11 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor, 5 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder. You can see the example. 11 is the dividend, well, always inside in the division process. 2 is the divisor, which is always outside. Now students, as in the divisor there is a single digit 2. The rule is that you have to take single digit in the dividend, but 1 is smaller than 2. Then we will take 2 digits, 11. Now we will start the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12. Students, 2 6 are 12. We cannot take a bigger number. We will take a smaller or equal number, equal to 11 or less than 11. So 10 is less than 11. 2 fives are 10. 2 fives are 10. Now as I told you that division is the repeated process of subtraction. Now subtract them. 11 minus 10. The remainder is 1. Now our division process is finished because there is no digit in the dividend. 5 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder. Now this is a very short division method and a very small number. So students, our time is finished. I will continue my division process or division question in the next one lecture. Please do practice on multiplication and division. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.